see it better later in the video, but it looks so nice. It's like one of a kind, the paint. It's burgundy with Cadillac came out with this new like clear with red pearls in it. So that's for their Cadillacs, and the painter, he did the burgundy and then he added that pearl clear on it. Look how nice it is. Bro, look at that. So if we come over here, got the front wheel, then you open up this. I got Electron Pro throttle and grips. They're really nice. Not sponsored. A full plastics kit for the Rsf. I'm only gonna need a few pieces, and then I got the seat, fender, battery. I'm thinking about getting a seat cover, put it up on the screen. It's gonna be a seat cover like this one on the YZ. So let me know if I should get that. I'll put it up on the screen. And then the battery's right behind it. Got the front fork, nuts, bolts, and screws. Got wire covers. Rear plastic piece, won't be using that either. Those plastic pieces, won't be using that. Got the motor. I got a heat sink for it. We cut that bracket off. Then the kickstand, powder coated. Front, our new rotor. I'm probably not gonna put that on. Axle, battery cables, pegs, spring, chain tensioner, and chain. So this is where I'm gonna put the bike at, and we'll get started, guys. I'm hyped. I'm gonna cue a time lapse, and when I finish, there'll be some B-roll of the bike. Let's go, guys. I'm on the Rsf650 right now, and it came out so nice, guys. So good. The paint came out so nice. So we're gonna ride it. I got the Magura back on, the MT5. So I'm still a little bit of a worm right now. I'm gonna get it back. I just have to ride it because I'm going from the YZ to this, YZ to this, and once I get used to that routine, I'll be able to do good. So sorry it's a little windy right now. I'm still waiting on that GoPro adapter. Now they're making me wait another 2 weeks because they delayed the order, and they said if I wanted to continue it or cancel the order. So I just said continue it, because if it doesn't come, I'm probably just gonna try to find another one, but they're really hard to find. Yo! Yo, the Psych Plus, it's gonna turn on right now. Yo, look at this paint, guys. It's like so nice. It's like unbelievably nice. Yo, I'm so hyped, guys. So the rebuild went pretty smooth. Everything went good. Like I said, I had my dad cut off that bracket, got the heat sink on. Look how nice, clean that is. Only thing that gave me trouble were the pegs. Just a little bit of trouble. What else? The MT5 lineup was a little hard because you have to line it up. That was the only thing that was a little hard, but I got it. Actually better than I have before, so that's good. Oh dang! This thing wheelies so nicely, like you're on a cloud. So actually, 1 year of ownership has passed. I got this last December, so it was like, I don't know if I told you guys, but it's February 2 months later, but I have got 1 year of ownership, which is dope. Oh shoot, wrong street. I gotta turn right here. It's windy right now. It's been like 80 degrees the past few days, but now it's just like all of a sudden just started freezing. I don't know why. Oh no, you see the displays on? Warm. Alright. Dang. Oh, I was on the YZ earlier and I was wheeling behind a GTR. It was crazy. But so you know how the headlights, the rear tail lights looked? It was dope. Oh, throttle off. You guys can hear it re-engage. Alright, ready? Alright, so how long is this light gonna take? So this is full plastic, brand new. Then, oh, the headlight, I'm working on the bracket, I'm 3D printing it right now. And then, well, all the plastics were brand new. Got new front fender. I'm gonna put a new number plate on soon, but I almost got. I didn't put it on because I ran out of the screw, so I gotta go buy more. So the rear brake started to give a little bit of a squeak, and it should stop soon. So I think I have to break it in a little more, or I might buy a new one. Bro, look how nice this paint is. Alright, 10 seconds. 5 seconds so the light goes green. Boom. That's a nice dually. Oh, so the headlight bracket, I'm probably gonna print it tonight. I have to 3D print it because they don't sell them nowhere, where it fits onto the ride or die forks. And let me take my AirPod out, it's annoying, the wind hitting it. So they don't sell one that hooks up to the ride or die forks and to a surround headlight. So I custom made one in my 3D printer app, and now it fits perfectly, but I made it too weak. I didn't put enough infill, so now I'm gonna 3D print another one because it snapped when I was bolting it on. Sadly. All right. So the other day I was riding, I hit like 26 miles per hour in a wheelie. But the funny thing is that this thing isn't actually geared for torque at all. Like, it's nowhere near geared for torque. It's geared for straight wheelie, or no, it's not, never mind, it's not even geared for straight wheelies, it's geared for speed. Because I thought at the beginning it was too much torque, and I think it had a 11 tooth, which is stock for a Razor. That's a front sprocket. So I added a 13 tooth, and that means less torque, more top speed on the front, but it's reversed on the back. Now I'm about to pop some wheelies. Yo! Really? This thing actually does not use a lot of battery at all. I probably went like 3-4 miles already, and I've only went down 3 voltage, and I think you can go down like 20 or something. I can't remember exactly. It's like 15, 20, and I only went down 3, so that's really good. So I'm probably at like 80% still, I would say. I'm barely getting it throttle, and I'm going 25. How about I show you guys the bike? So, ew, it is my brake. You guys hear that? So, check that out. Yo. Look at that, guys. Bro. Got the powder coated kickstand, new grips, throttle, new plastics, rear fender, that bottom piece under the seat, front fender. What else is new? The MT5, but it was before the heat sinks, new battery wrap, new paint, of course, freshly polished wheels. Those are shining. Look at that. You guys see that? Check the front. Sheesh. There's little red pearls in the paint, and it looks so nice. Yo! Ready? 30, 35, 37. think I could have went higher because when I tucked, it started going up and I couldn't see it. Oh, it's not telling me. That is a good spot for a top speed run. But this video is probably gonna be coming to an end. So I usually cue you guys out with a wheelie outro, so I'm gonna cue y'all out. So thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. See how long I can wheelie for. Oh dang. Peace out.